How do I import my W-2 on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to jacksonhewitt.com. Then you first want to sign into your account. For that, click on the login option, enter all of your credentials, and then you will be signed into your account. Now to get started, you want to type W-2 into your search bar. Then select the Jump to link at the top of your search results. If you are entering your W-2 for the first time this year, you'll be prompted to work on your W-2. If you have already entered your W-2 and you can choose to edit it or add another one. To import your info, find the employer ID number or EIN in box B of your W-2. Enter the EIN and select Continue, then follow the prompts on your screen to quickly and easily import your W-2. To upload a PDF, JPEG or PNG of your W-2, select Upload and choose the file from your computer. Then, Jackson Hewitt is going to extract and populate the information directly from your form. If you are not able to import your W-2 information, you can type it by hand as well. Or you can also snap a photo of your W-2. For those of you who are unaware, W-2 form is an Internal Revenue Service tax form used in the United States to report an employee's annual earnings and the amount of taxes withheld from their paycheck. Employers are required to provide employees with a W-2 form by January 31st each year. If you face any difficulties while importing the W-2 form, you can contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, leave them on the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.